Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by doing the minimal but essential steps. Clean the sensor and your finger, then restart the device to reset any temporary software glitches. Use a microfiber cloth and 70% plus isopropyl. Avoid sprays directly on the sensor. Once done, remove any case or screen protector that might obstruct positioning and make sure your hands are dry and warm so the reader can detect the ridge patterns. Finally, keep battery above 20% so enrollment and diagnosis run without power interruptions. You now focus on recalibration and proper enrollment. Delete old fingerprints and start fresh to remove corrupted templates. When re-enrolling, place the pad of the finger at varied angles and pressures so the sensor captures full ridge data. Enroll the same finger twice to create redundancy. Make sure to update the device firmware and operating system first because sensor drivers often improve recognition. Once done, test repeatedly in different hand positions to confirm the reader learned the full range of your fingerprint. You finish by verifying and securing access. Enroll additional fingers so you have reliable alternatives and set a strong PIN or password as a backup method. If problems persist after cleaning, re-enrolling, and updates, run the device's hardware diagnostic or contact support because the sensor may be failing. While you troubleshoot, make sure to use the alternate authentication to avoid lockouts. One key tip: if the sensor fails intermittently, test in safe mode to rule out third-party app interference before pursuing repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.